Hello everyone, and welcome to the Nova Armada channel, to my loyal subscribers and my future subscribers. Today's aircraft is the Northwest 757-251, wearing the 1980s era Thermometer livery with a red tail and white and blue cheat lines along the windows. Please watch to the end to see this aircraft's full history. This aircraft was powered by two Pratt Whitney PW2000 series high bypass turbofans, with each engine able to generate up to 42,600 pounds force or 189 kilonewtons at full power. This aircraft can carry anywhere from 200 to 239 passengers, depending on layout and class mixture. This aircraft has a maximum cruise speed of 496 knots or 918 kilometers an hour, with a range of around 3,900 nautical miles or 7,300 kilometers with a standard load on board. This 757 was initially delivered to Northwest Airlines from the Boeing factory in Renton, Washington on October 12 of 1988. At this point in the airliner's history, the aircraft was painted in the 1980s era Thermometer livery that Northwest used during that period of time. This livery consisted of white and blue cheat lines along the windows and a plain red tail. At this time, the aircraft was registered as November 534 Uniform Sierra and is named after the Canadian city of Winnipeg. During 1994 and 1995, Northwest chose this aircraft to carry an experimental gray fuselage livery. By 1997, this was changed to the red top bowling shoe livery. It was during this period of time that this aircraft suffered an incident. In 2002, the aircraft suffered a hard landing and tail strike upon landing at the Baltimore Washington airport. The aircraft was repaired and returned to service. In 2003, the aircraft was repainted for its last Northwest silver fuselage livery, which it wore until the start of the Northwest Delta merger in 2010. During the Northwest Delta merger, the aircraft was repainted in the red, white, and blue onward and upward livery. From 2010 to 2015, the aircraft flew regional and international flights for Delta. There was a period of time in 2010 and 2011 that the aircraft was stored at the Mojave Aircraft Boneyard. After 2011, the aircraft was returned to service. This airplane continued until 2015, when the aircraft was again stored, this time at Blytheville, Arkansas. It was at this location that in 2016 the aircraft was scrapped after 38 years of passenger flying service around the world. The video on screen now is a 1/400 scale model produced by a company called Gemini Jets in 2021. As far as our production team has been able to discern, this is the only model of this particular aircraft made by any company in any scale. For any enterprise that is interested, this channel is available for advertising for your company. This opportunity is available for all reputable North American companies. Please contact me at the shown email address for details. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you watch my videos from start to finish helps me get a larger distribution on YouTube, which will bring in more subscribers. That will then repeat this process. If you like what you've seen, hit those like buttons and spread the word. We've enjoyed making this video, and we hope you've had fun watching it. Thank you, and good day.